In this video, we're taking a closer look at how the Media RSS plugin works. Let's start by creating a new playlist. We can call this Media RSS. Let's open the playlist. We'll find the Media RSS plugin in RSS plugins. When we've added the plugin to our slide, we'll find all the settings in the sidebar. At the top, we have a couple of tools for alignment. Let's maximize the plugin. Media RSS was designed to address the shortcomings of normal RSS feeds, and you'll notice that it's very similar to content based on HTML. A cool thing about Media RSS is all the different feeds that are available out of the box. Search on Google for Media RSS, and you'll find tons of feeds giving you air quality, animated weather, news, events, health tips, flight data, Facebook content, quizzes, and a bunch of other stuff. In this example, we're using ScreenFeed to generate the Media RSS content, but there are other providers out there. You'll have to create an account, and depending on what content you want, they have different subscriptions. Let's go to Feeds. Let's create a feed using their AP News. When we've chosen a feed, we can pick Media RSS and then a layout that fits our screen. The next couple of steps are where we pick a news category, we pick a style, and perhaps we want to set a duration for each item. Choose how many items we'd like to display, and then we'd give it a name and create the feed. When we've created the feed, all we have to do is copy the feed URL, go back to the editor, and then paste that feed URL in Media RSS URL. When that's done, we can pick a transition. I'll go with Fade to Black. The refresh interval tells the plugin when to check for updated content. When we created the feed, we chose a duration of 5 seconds per item, and only 10 items in total. So let's set our slide duration to 50 seconds. And this is how it will look on our screens. Another cool thing about the Media RSS plugin is that we don't have to update or change the plugin when we change the feed itself. So let's go to ScreenFeed, edit the feed, and make a couple of changes to the design of the feed. When we click Update Feed, the content in our plugin and on our screens will automatically change. With the changes we made, the feed now looks like this. Thanks for watching.